Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming permissions and the simplest hardware items. First, make sure your platform or OS has granted Fortnite access to the microphone. Without that, nothing works. Once done, inspect your headset cable, battery, and mute toggles so you're not chasing software for a hardware issue. Then open Fortnite's audio settings and set voice chat to on and pick the correct input device. This sets the game to listen to the right source and prevents common mismatches. Next, address in-game routing and network constraints that commonly break voice. You should select the proper voice channel, squad or party, so voice packets are sent to the right group. Then tweak voice chat volume and microphone volume and verify push-to-talk keybinds are either unset or known. This prevents accidental silencing. Finally, check your NAT type and run a network test. Strict NAT or blocked UDP ports can drop voice traffic, so make sure your router allows the necessary connections. To finish, perform system-level fixes and a clear troubleshooting sequence. Restart Fortnite and reconnect your controller or headset, then relaunch the voice session so settings reinitialize. Make sure audio drivers or console firmware are up to date, and if possible, test with a different mic to isolate the problem. If voice still fails, toggle voice chat off and back on, confirm party privacy allows voice, and reboot your router. One of these steps resolves intermittent routing or permission issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.